Welcome back. From previous session, we learned about Golang build environment and editor setup. In this session, we'll talk about introduction to Go and its basic data types. We'll see more about how the code looks like, how the syntax, and basics data types in detail. Let's start basic syntax and simple programming as part of this chapter using Golang. So in this chapter, we'll cover introduction to Go and its benefits, basic syntax and data types, variables and constants, control flow like if else, for and switch statements. Also we'll cover like functions and function signatures. Like Go is also known Golang is a programming language developed by Google. It is designed to be a fast, efficient and easy to use. Go benefits of Go is like a simple and a clean syntax which makes easy to understand and learn. Built-in support for concurrency, which allows for the creation of concurrent and parallel programs. Strong standard library with a wide range of functionality. Great performance and scalability. Used by many well-known companies such as Uber, Netflix, Dropbox, which makes it relevant for students to learn about real-world use cases. Go can be used for a variety of programming tasks, including web development, system programming, and network services. It also popular choice for building microservices and high performance network services. Go is a relatively new language, but its popularity is increasing and it has a large and growing community. It's a great choice to learn language that is a demand and widely used in the industry. Let us see like basic syntax and data types. Basic syntax. Go starts with a package and its name. We will see with an example. And Go uses the keyword import to import any packages. Go uses the keyword func to define a functions. And Go uses curly braces to define the beginning and end of the block of the code. Go uses the keyword var to define variables. Go uses the keyword return to return value from a function. Data types. Go has several built-in data types, including numbers, which actually integer, float, and complex numbers, Boolean, strings, arrays, slices, maps, structs. So this is a simple program. We will see hands-on once this is done, theoretical part is done. Go also supports type interface, which means that the compiler can automatically determine the type of a variable based on the value assigned to it. Go supports pointers, which allows storing of a address of a variable in memory. This allows for the better performance in certain cases and can be used to pass variables by reference. Go also supports interfaces that allow the definition of set of methods that a type must implement and allows working with different types in a common way. Go also supports user-defined types, which allows programmers to create custom types based on existing types. Right. Coming to programming, as I mentioned, any Go program start with a package. So let us name a package with main. And later we'll see like we can import any packages. Example, let us import a package called FMT, which has some functionalities like we'll see like println console related or output related stuff and all from the FMT package. So next we'll talk about like func, right? How to use the func. There is a func keyword. This is a function declaration. Suppose we'll just display one uh, simple message and which returns some uh, string data types. And we discuss like the function body or any body a block of the code will be starting with and ending with the braces. In between that only you can write any code. And also you can create any variable using var keyword. Var, for example, MSG, and you can type mention the variable type, and also you can initialize with some kind of value. For example, hello world. And function is returning here. Function returning a value here, right? That is a string. Just will just return ms, right? So you can call this function from the main function. Main function also looks same only. You can take it main, and you can just now use the FMT. FMT will have different functions. We can use println to print the output in the console. You can call the display message function. That's it. So we are ready with the program, whatever we discussed with the simple program and first program, right? So now we can use the console like commands to build it and run the program as well. So how to build the Go program? There is a command called go build main.go. So what we can do is go build main.go, which actually generates a exe for that. You can run the exe by simply calling like this, so you can print the output. This is the one command, like it will build this code and it will generate a executable for you. So another way, with if you don't want to create an executable, then directly you can build and run the program using build go run main.go. Sorry. So like this, it will basically it will build and it will give the output.